What up, guys? This is Simosake, aka DeHouseByDane, and I'm here to answer 10 questions about IMVELO EP that is out on all streaming platforms, a project that I did with my brother, Free Flow. So let's go. Well, the name IMVELO started from the previous song that we did, Ukukanya. So I remember we were shooting a video of the song and then we had to go Olwandle. And then in our conversation, we were so in tune with Kuluma IMVELO so much that as we were recording the songs, because EP science after we started the EP after we recorded Ukukanya. So I was like, no, the next body of work should be IMVELO, because indlela esicabanga ngayo mentality on that side was more about in nature. So that's why I named the EP IMVELO. I did most of the challenges that we had. It's not that much because me and Free Flow, we have this good relationship of working where I send him a song. I send him an instrument and then he writes and then he comes back to me and then I record it. So it's like Free Flow is one of the guys that I've worked with for Skatsa sake, and one of my longest friends actually. So we have that relationship of like when we record, you need to keep it simple. So the thought process of Ngoma, I trust him so much. Like anything he does, I know he will excel, and then we are able to fine tune it and then make it come to like in life in the project IMVELO. But there were not really that much of hardships because we were able to record the body of work in a short space of time and then we were able to get it done. So yeah, like that's I'm keeping my challenges when I'm working with Free Flow. Like I've just mentioned before, Free Flow is one of the longest people that I've worked with. So obviously, when you spend time together, you end up developing the relationship where Free Flow is one of the guys I can easily say, I work, do this. He won't be offended because he knows everything I'm saying or doing, I'm looking out for him. It's in the best interest of his music or his sound, should I say. So we were like Free Flow is like I consider him as a brother. I don't see him as a friend. He's a brother. He's more than just an artist. So it's easy to work with Free Flow. That's why I chose him. And the most important reason that I chose Free Flow is because he's a very good songwriter. Free Flow can write for days. That is, if I can bet my life, saying Free Flow can write a song, he can write a song for anyone, and he can excel that song. So that's one of the main reasons I decided to work with the Free Flow, because it's a very for me, usually, creativity for me, I don't know, I can't speak for others, but I can speak for myself. For me, when I'm creative, like for an example, half of the songs that I did for a project, I did those instrumental in 3 days. And some of the songs, is a song that I did 2023, I remember it was 2023 in October. So for me, like a routine for me, it's more on what I'm feeling that side. I have this thing, if I have an idea or certain inspiration, because I do diverse genres, I like to make maybe 5 of those instruments, and then when I make 5 of those, if someone else comes and say, can we do this and this, and then we do it. So since we are working on IMVELO and we didn't have a title at the moment, it was like we not saying Immense Sets was not an album, so we were just making music. Like each and every song, because Ukanya set the tone, I knew okay, this song can work if I send it to Free Flow, this song can work. Hence I was able to take Ingona Parate a BC 2023 and then send it to Free Flow. Like, because I understand Free Flow, I know it's styleless. So for me, making the beats, it's easy because it's something I do almost every day. Like like it's funny as it may seem, but every day I'm always making songs, whether it's in my phone, whether it's in my computer, anyway, I'm always having ideas of making songs. So my routine was just wake up, compose something, send it to Free Flow, and if he vibes with it and is able to write in it, and then messing us span. And and also I don't like if it takes more than 30 minutes for an idea, which is for me, I scrap that idea. And it's funny, sometimes I would scrap an idea and then Free Flow would be like, I can write to it. So you see now the importance of working with the person who's most talented and in a relationship now. So that's how it was. IMVELO no pun intended, was a free flowing project. Yeah, I didn't have any problems with it. I think it's more like to resonate. That's what I can say with IMVELO, because we have songs like IMVELO where we say umuntu must ahloniphe imvelo, like you need to respect nature. So we are talking about things that touches the soul. The core of the project IMVELO is more about the soul, because in this ngazo lapho izinto ezithinta soul, like your IMVELO, the intro of the song, of which is one of the songs that I had to force from Free Flow side bad, because I had the concept of it. I had the chorus already laid out. So Free Flow that day, I think he was coming to finish something else, but it was not music related. And I was like, no, Free Flow, can you record this for me? And he was like, no, if it's saying yes, so we say record that. No, I forced it on him, and then he was able to do the song, because there is a process when I we did the song. So like, what can someone take away? It's soulful. 2, it's more resonating. Your IMVELO kulungile bawo, as you can hear the song, it speaks about uNkulunkulu, like it's more being aligned with your spiritual self. It's more about spirituality, and the sound enough it leads to that direction, spirituality and love at the end. So those two, they go hand in hand. So that's what the project is about. No, to be honest with you, no. Obviously, like, we had to make a song because we had to add Percy on the song, because I felt like on the song that I was doing, he was part of the creation process of the song, and also like he told me, okay, I wanted it to be in Nganyengom, so hence I decided to have him on the song. But besides, if I would have had a session musician. But futhi in the outcome yakhona, it was good, because I didn't want the session musician to overpower the project, the making of the project. But is there someone else I would have loved to collaborate with? No. This was like a kind of type of vibe. Me and Free Flow, producer artist, I decided to wear that hat on this project, producer artist type of a project. And then in Mhlambe come in this and other projects I would do, maybe generally join projects with a certain artist, maybe then I'll be able to add the Manyama vocalist. But for this one, because I wanted it to come and the idea was burning inside of me, was like I wanted us to have a body of work with the Free Flow. That's how I wanted it to happen. Because even now, Free Flow, I'm sure most of you know him as a rap. He's the one who came with the idea with Senza My Piano, hence we did Ukanya. Then after Ukanya, we did a lot of songs. There's tons of songs that we chose from these 7 that you're hearing now. So, and I was like, Nazin, I'm gonna make a body of work. And then I told him, one thing I love about Free Flow would say, whenever I send him something, he's like, uyakwazi ukubhala abeyanise idea, and he when it comes to Free Flow knows how those are the traits of a good songwriter. He knows how to create something that would resonate with people and as catchy at the same time. And me on the other side, I know how to make instruments that resonates with an artist. And when we're in the studio, putting phone and kube ilontoza vibe with the Free Flow, kube feeling. Look for an artist to express themselves. I'm sorry. I always say this. For me, like I think most artists will vouch for me. You can be like as talented as you can be. You can have the voice of, but for me, what counts the most is your ability to express yourself. Like, can I feel the emotion that you're going through? If you're aggressive, I need to feel that anger. If you're sad, I need to feel the sadness. If you're happy, I need to feel the happiness. And for me, that the ability to express the emotion that you have, you're not a artist. Because you find good artists they have the good tone. but they don't know how to express themselves. You find that there's an artist who always good at ballet, but they don't have the voice. Like for myself, I can be good at writing, but sometimes for a particular song, I may not have that voice. So sometimes I will pitch an idea go free flow, and then if free flow likes the idea, and then we go with it. But if it doesn't, then it's fine, because as artists and producers, we have tons of songs. We have tons of stuff that we do, and then we end up, some of them we remove, some of them we don't release. So I look for emotion, expressing yourself. Maybe it's emotion, I'm not saying what to be said, but whatever emotion that you're expressing as an artist, I need you to do it, so that me as a producer, I can complement you with my instrumental, because I believe, well, for me, as a producer, my work is to enhance the emotion that an artist is expressing. That's my belief. And to make sure the end result is executed in the way that umuntu ozolelalela ingoma can resonate with it. So for me, that is what I look for in an artist. Well, there's tons of body of work as we speak. Yes, I feel like this year is going to be mostly joint projects that I'm going to be doing. I'm mostly going to be doing joint projects, so you can expect that from me. Like joint projects. And guys, I have to say this, I have tons of body of work. I'm not gonna lie to you, like any other producer. Spanish corner sning, so it's just that I need to find a way to structure it in the right. Yeah, but while I'm still taking baby steps towards get involved in a good way. Song on this EP, all the songs are my favorites, to be honest with you. But for me, my favorite song is because for me, I like how fast that song was created, and also I feel like it's another song that we did after Ugukan. In fact, Ugukan should have been part of this EP, but it happened to be part of my previous EP, which is Cycling Vibration. I think you can check it out on all streaming platforms. But Sikosevulindlela was one of the songs that that were so quick to make. So for me, Ugukanya is one of my favorite song on the project. I mean, Jalo Ikosevulindlela is one of my favorite songs on the EP. Okay, any last words that I have would be, guys, please, I love the support that you're showing me. Please continue to support DeHouseByDane. Please support Free Flow. Please support everyone involved in this project, and make sure you stream the songs on all streaming platforms. And if you ever feel like, as an artist, I mean, Jalo, if you ever feel like I can add value to indawo yakho le mhlawumbe usebenzela kuyona, please feel free to book me at DeHouseByDane@gmail.com. That is my email. And most importantly, guys, I want to thank those who have been with me throughout this journey, because we've been doing this for a start. So I want to thank those who've been with me through the journey. Keep on supporting as you always do. Keep on sharing, like and share, and share this message with others, because with music, I'm doing it to express the feeling that I have, so that Nina Nanan Guato resonates, and then we share the love. Most importantly, put yourself first, put God first, and everything that you do, always love yourself. And that's all I can say. Okay. On all social media platforms, you can search DeHouseByDane. So to make it easier for you, just Google DeHouseByDane. DeHouseByDane, DeHouseBydane. That is DeHouseByDane. When you Google this, all the information will come out. So yeah, guys, I just want to thank you, and that was my 10 questions with DeHouseByDane. Thank you so much for tuning to IMVELO EP. Continue to stream and support. Peace.